Today I will explain the difference between equal equal and dot equals in Java. Both are used for comparison, but they behave differently. One checks memory references and other checks content. Let's go step by step. The equal operator checks whether two variables point to the exact same object in the memory. On the other hand, the equals method checks whether the content of the object is same. For example, think of two books. Equal asks, are these the same physical copy? While dot equals asks, do these books have the same story inside? Here is a simple example. String str1 is equal to new string hello. String str2 is equal to new string hello. Now if I check str1 equal to str2, it false because they are two different objects. But str1 dot equals str2 is true because both objects contain the same text. To visualize this, str1 and str2 are stored in different locations in memory. That's why equal to is false. But when we call the dot equals, Java compares the content, so it returns true. This is the most important difference, reference versus content. Now let's take another example. String A is equal to hello. String B is equal to hello. String C is equal to new string hello. Here A and B both refer to a single object. A is equal to B is true because both point to the same object in the string pool. A equal to C is false because C is created as a new object in heap memory. A dot equals C is true because both have the same content inside. So string literals behave differently from strings created with new. To summarize, equal to checks reference equality, same memory address. Equals checks content quality. We can override equals in our classes to define custom equality rules, but we cannot override equal to. So use equal to only when you want to check if two references are pointing to the exact same object. Use dot equals when you want to check if the content matches. Think of two ID cards. Equal asks, is the same physical card. Dot equals asks, do both cards have the same information printed. That's the difference between reference equality and content equality. Thank you.